In this video, we'll show you how to create a product in inFlow Cloud. We'll run through basic details, cost and pricing, custom fields, images, viewing quantities, and we'll show you what the process looks like on mobile. Now it's time to create a product. From the homepage of the Windows app, head to New Product. The first two fields you need to fill out are item name and item type. For item names, we recommend using a stock keeping unit, or SKU, which is often a number. But for this example, we'll just use a model name. For item type, most people tend to use stock product, which is a product whose quantity you need to track. But you might also use serialized products, which are also stock products, but with a unique serial number attached to each instance, like how your laptop or smartphone has a serial number. Categories are straightforward. They're a way of grouping your products, which is useful for filtering lists or running reports. When it comes to the barcode field, we recommend scanning it or pasting it in. The description field should be a human-readable field. It's how you describe your product to somebody else. Cost is how much your business paid to purchase or create one unit of this product. Below cost, you can see pricing schemes. For example, we have one price for retail and a different cheaper price for wholesale. You can create as many pricing schemes as you'd like. Below that, we have custom fields. This example database is a sunglasses company, so we have fields for polarization and material. You can have up to 10 custom fields across all of your products. You'll want to add images to your products to make them easier to recognize in the app. You can upload images from the Windows app, but if you don't have pictures, you can quickly take a picture and add it from the mobile app. Below the picture is an inventory table. It shows you how much of that product you have at each of your locations. You can also set up reorder settings here, but we'll get into that in a different video. For now, just press Save, and you'll have created a product in inFlow. Alright, now that we've done that in Windows, here's a quick run-through of what product creation looks like on the iPhone. And it's similar on Android too. You can create a new product from the product list. Enter a product name and type, then tap Create. On the product page, you can add images, specify a category, scan a physical barcode to add it to the product, and fill in the description. You can also fill out any pricing schemes, as well as your product cost. You can view the current quantity of that product at each location, and also specify measurements and your custom fields. When you're done, just tap Save to finalize the changes. And that's how you create a product in our Windows and mobile apps. Now you can try it for yourself in inFlow.